Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wireless dash camera system for your car, no wires needed. Introducing the BOXGVO wireless CarPlay screen for car with a stunning 4K dash cam, a 9-inch portable touchscreen, and a full suite of smart features designed to upgrade your driving experience. Right out of the box, you get a sleek 9-inch touchscreen that acts as a hub for navigation, entertainment, and safety. What sets this device apart is its wireless compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That means whether you're an iPhone or Android user, connecting your phone is as simple as a quick Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setup. No cables cluttering your dashboard. Once connected, your phone automatically links wirelessly, giving you seamless access to your favorite apps like Google Maps or Waze for real-time GPS navigation. You can even control everything hands-free through Siri or Google Assistant, making your drives smarter, safer, and much more convenient. The BOXGVO system doesn't just stop at connectivity. It comes equipped with a powerful front-facing 4K dash cam, capturing crystal-clear footage of the road ahead with incredible detail. This is complemented by a 1080p waterproof backup camera, providing you with excellent night vision when reversing. The dashcam supports loop recording, so it continuously records while erasing old footage to make room for new. But if there's a collision, it locks that footage to prevent it from being overridden, a crucial feature for protecting evidence. Audio performance is also impressive. This device supports phone mirroring for both iOS and Android, so whatever is on your phone screen can be displayed on the 9-inch screen. The upgraded Bluetooth stereo output streams audio wirelessly to your car speakers with lossless quality. Additionally, there's FM wireless audio transmission and aux output, along with built-in speakers on the device itself, giving you multiple ways to enjoy music or calls with clear sound. Installation is surprisingly easy, especially considering all the features you're getting. The package includes a 7-meter cable for the rear camera, allowing flexible placement no matter your vehicle's size. Best of all, you won't need to disassemble your car's console or replace the original radio, so the system integrates smoothly without messing up your car's interior. It's designed to fit most vehicles, cars, trucks, vans, pickups, so whether you drive a newer model or an older one, this is a fantastic upgrade. Physically, the device is compact and lightweight at just 2.5 pounds, with dimensions that make it unobtrusive yet easy to interact with on the go. The screen itself is crisp and responsive, ensuring smooth touchscreen operation. For power users, the included 64GB TF card offers ample storage for dash cam recordings, so you're covered for extensive driving sessions without worrying about running out of space. BOXGVO backs their product with a professional service team offering 1 year of maintenance and lifetime technical support. If you run into any issues with installation, setup, or usage, their team promises quick responses, usually within 24 hours, to help you get back on the road without hassle. In summary, the BOXGVO wireless CarPlay screen combines cutting-edge dash cam technology with smart connectivity and convenience in one portable package. It's perfect for anyone looking to modernize their vehicle's infotainment and safety features without complicated wiring or permanent modifications. With real-time navigation, voice control, high-resolution video recording, and versatile audio options, this device stands out as a top choice in wireless car tech. If you want to simplify your driving experience and add reliable dashcam protection, this wireless CarPlay screen from BOXGVO is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets. Safe driving.